Hi guys, welcome to GponSolution. Today I will show you how to create a user from your NC. So if you're any engineer want to log in this NMS, then you need to create username, each user or group of user, and need to give permission that way how you want. So first go security, user management, then create from user, create, then username, like I am giving here a username GponSolution. Give his full name and password, like putting here one password, complex password. This password condition here must be at least 8 to 32 characters. The password must contain at least 2 letters, one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter, 1 digit and one of the following special character. So you read this instruction first. Now this mobile number, email, if you want you can put, but not mandatory here. And enable account, yes. Enable account, yes. Description, if you want to some information for your user, you can keep here. Department, and now advance, maximum online session by this user, how many session, how many people can log in by use same user, you need to set from here. By default is 1. So if you want you want to create a username for your NOC user, multiple user, so you can increase session, how many people want to log in, you can increase number, or if this account only for single person, then you can keep here 1. Then here auto log out if no activity within, by default 30 minutes. If 30 minutes this user did not or no activity, then system automatically log out this account. Account validity day 30 day by default. You can use 999 for maximum. Then if you want to set any policy, so no need at this moment. Compulsory password renewal, this password renewal section, select here 0, no need to change password, otherwise system automatically notify you change password after a certain time later. You set here time, suppose 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, then system automatically after expired this time, system automatically ask you to change password. Then next you need to select here some role, this user permission level. To configure your ONT, you need to give operator level permission. If you want to give only read only permission, then need to select guest. And if you want to admin level permission, then need to select administrator. So now here I am giving permission to operator level. Then next, now default profile, default policy, okay. My user create complete. Role is operator group. Now need to log in your account and need to change password by new user. So this is NCE-FAN NMS R024 version. Now I am login. Changing password, old password first. Now I am putting here a new password, then apply. Here is password. You see here I am login by username GponSolution. So showing here user GponSolution. So thank you guys.